everyone, welcome to Vijaya Education. Today I am going to explain 10th class AP board syllabus chemistry lesson, chemical reactions and chemical equations. In this video, we can talk about chemical reactions and chemical equations. In this video, I am going to show the tips and tricks to write chemical reactions and chemical equations. I am sure by the end of the video, the concepts will be super clear to you. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.
Alright, here I have some pictures of changes in our everyday lives and you need to identify what are the physical and chemical changes here. So, let's start with the first picture. Can you see that the person is cooking food here? So, is that a physical change or chemical change? What do you think? That's right. It is a physical change because once the food is cooked, new substances are formed and it's irreversible. Now, let's take a look at the next picture. Well, you can see that the ice is melting. So, what changes that is physical change or chemical change? Do you know? Correct. Melting of ice is a physical change. So, I will label it with P. Because you know that it's reversible and no new substance is formed. Ice just melts to water. Now, let's take a look at the picture below here. So, can you tell where the boiling of water is that a physical change or chemical change? Yes, it's again a physical change because water changes into steam and it's irreversible. Now, let's look at the next picture here. Can you see rusting of the iron is shown? So, what changes that? Correct. It is a chemical change because new substances are formed when the fruit gets ripened and you cannot get back the original form of the fruit. Now, what about the burning the candle? This is an interesting example because when a candle burns, there is both physical and chemical changes. So, the burning of the candle is a chemical change, but the melting of the wax is physical change. When the Catholic burns, you know that it gets converted into carbon dioxide and water vapor. So, we can say that this is both physical and chemical change. Right. In this video, our focus will be on chemical changes. What is the chemical reaction? As you may, in a chemical change, a chemical reaction takes place. So, whenever there is a chemical change, there is a chemical reaction in the board. What is the definition of a chemical reaction? So, as you can see here, the chemical reaction is a process in which the new substances with new properties are formed. So, the important thing is something new needs to be formed in a chemical reaction. But in a physical change, you know that no new substance is formed. Here we have some examples of chemical reactions. For example, hydrogen plus oxygen gives water. So can you see that water is the new substance formed from hydrogen and oxygen. Similarly, sodium and chlorine combine to get sodium chloride. So the new substance here is sodium chloride. There is something new formed from sodium and chloride, and as you know, water has very different properties from hydrogen and oxygen. Right. Hydrogen and oxygen are gases, but water in its normal form we can drink daily. Liquid form, that is liquid form we can drink daily. Same way, A metal sodium combines with a poisonous gas to form sodium chloride, that salt we eat every day. So that it is magic of chemistry. That in a chemical reaction, new substances with new properties are formed. Okay students, I will explain the remaining part in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching. Bye.